Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you what's in my makeup bag. This per se is just a makeup kit that I always have like sitting on top of my dresser, just if I need to grab this. This is a full face of makeup, and I will throw in whatever lip color I will be doing for that day or event. So this is a full face of makeup. I can fit this in, you know, my Gucci toiletry pouch. This also fits in the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, the biggest one. I think it's a 26. Oh, I don't know. Don't quote 19. I don't know. I don't know the toiletry sizes. It just fits in the biggest size. And so yeah. So let's get started. By the way, this bag, if you guys are wondering, this is from Bloomingdale's. This is from their collection, the Hawaii traveling collection, and in the back it just says medium travel bag. So first thing I have here is this mascara. Sorry guys. And this is the telescopic mascara. I love this mascara. I've been using this mascara since I was in college, and this is the best. I don't know if it's picking up, but this is the best mascara that I use that works well for my eyelashes. I have here just, what is all this hair? Sorry guys. So I have here just some lip liners. I tie them in a rubber band. It's nothing special. I just have a variety of nudes. Also, depending on what I'm going to be using for the event, I'll obviously change out the lip liners and lipsticks. If I didn't mention earlier, this is a full face of makeup. Like I used everything in here for a complete look. Another thing I forgot to mention is that my brushes are in a separate bag. I don't put them together with my makeup, and they sit in a different bag. It's also a clear bag like this that they sit in. And here is some pomade from Anastasia. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. I have a sharpener in here. Oh, and this lip balm is the best lip balm ever as well. Just put some. So yeah, this is the best lip balm ever. I use this in prep while I do my makeup, and then I will apply my lip gloss after my lip products after I put my entire face of makeup on. So in here are my brow products. So I have here brow and eyeliners, basically liquid pencil, and a brush for my brows are in here, and I also would put my brow pencil in there too as well. This is my foundation. I highly recommend this foundation. It's very it's like a liquid based foundation, but it's very good. It works good with me. I have combination skin, but mostly oily, but this works very well. Sorry for the slamming, guys. This brush sits in there because just in case I need to touch up right away and I don't want to grab my makeup brush kit, I will use this brush. This is just a very inexpensive brush. This is from BHCOSMETICS, but it's, I guess, from their some signature line, but it applies powder to set the face. Very wonderful. I love this. I have a powder. This is from MAC, a Studio Fix powder. I am in the shade NC30. I fluctuate NC42 and NC30, but right now, since there's no sun, it's cold, I'm NC30. I have a lipstick in here. This is in the color Whirl. I don't know if the camera will see it, pick it up, but it's in the color Whirl. Very nice brown matte neutral color. I have here, okay, so let's talk. I have two eyeshadow palettes. These are from MAC. They both come with me because this has shimmer, and this is like all matte, and this is leaning towards like the cranberry berry side. So this is like very fall and winter for me. So I have another palette, but it's not in this like 9 set. It's a quad, and I usually have like warmer tones in there when it starts to get warmer. And this is just a basic all matte shade. I like the compact case that it comes in because it's small and I got 9 shadows. Downside is no mirror. Here is my concealer kit. I haven't used this one because I have my other one, but this is an emergency, not emergency, but this is just like a grab and go kit. If I need to put a makeup bag together, I'll use this. So this is, I have several of these laying around in each makeup bag, but this is such a good palette because when you change, I guess your color, you know, your skin color, your skin tone changes obviously with the warmer and colder months. So this is good to have. And here is, I set my face with this setting powder. I usually use the Laura Mercier, but it's very bulky. This is from Urban Decay, and this is just a very translucent powder. Yes, comes with a mirror too. So very nice. It's compact. It's kind of heavy too, but it works well in here. So I have here 3 eyeshadow primers. This I've been using also since I was in high school, actually, when I would put on glitter or very eyeshadow that would fall out. This would catch everything. This I found out recently, the glitter glue from Too Faced as well. And then I have here a LORAC eyeshadow primer. They're all in the mini sizes, which is good. I have here a Kylie eyeliner. I have several of this also as well. I don't like how her, I'm sorry guys, my phone's ringing. Alright, so I have here Kylie eyeliner, gel eyeliner. I have several of these lying around too. They dry up pretty quickly, but just put some Visine in them and they'll be okay. Just the same with your pomade. I have mine in the color black, obviously. Her eyeliner is good when it sets. So when it sets, you know, it doesn't move, but when it applies, like, you gotta keep layering to achieve the boldness and the thickness. I don't know if that makes sense. So it's not as bright to me as, you know, I guess the liquid, the fluid line from MAC. So I set it with black eyeshadow. So here, this is what I use as my highlighter. This is a really, really nice highlighter. This is from NYX. I have mine in the IBB01 color Narcissistic. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see that, but this is such a wonderful highlighter. So I'm not sure if this is gonna pick up. I'm very bad with my lighting. It's not professional lighting, but I don't know if you guys can see. It's a very buildable color. I will use this also as a highlight for my what do you call it, my eyeshadow, and it's really nice too in the summer. So very nice highlighter. The highlighters that I usually use are the ones from The Balm. All 3 of them, they have really cute names too, so that's a good one. And I have here another lipstick. So this is one of my bright red ones. This is from Bite Beauty Cosmetics. I'm not swatching it because I don't want to mess up anything right now, because I don't have any baby wipes or makeup wipes. So yeah, so that's a very nice color. And some, so I have here some Kiehl's facial cream, which is good to have before applying makeup if you don't have your moisturizer. And I have here just some Biore pore strips, and this is my, since the Anastasia palette I use, and that's on my vanity, I use this as a travel contour kit for me. It's very slim, and I also love the colors in it. It's also in the warmer side, like this mixed together. This color looks very muddy for my complexion. So I will use this and this together, and it's the perfect shade for me. It also has a banana-ish color powder here, which I like a lot. I use this a lot as well. It has also a big mirror. So that's it. That's all that fits in here, and it's slim. You can slip inside, you know, your Neverfulls, Speedy 30s. Like, this is a good bag to have. I'll try to find it and link it down below, and I'll try to link similar ones below with the same measurements that I use. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, everyone.